Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add your LinkedIn account to your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Now make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your normal regular Facebook account. How you can check this? You have to click on this top right corner, this profile icon, and you can see here that the Facebook page name and your normal Facebook account name. You have to click on your you have to click on your Facebook page name, then it will switch to your Facebook page account. Now if you want to add LinkedIn, you have to click on this Facebook page name, which is top left corner. Now you have to click on about this section. In this section you will find here websites and links, social links. If you want to add your LinkedIn, you have to click on this pencil icon. Now you have to click on add a social link. Then you have to click on this drop down menu and search for LinkedIn. This one. Now you have to put here the LinkedIn name like this. Now you have to click on save, or you can put here the LinkedIn URL or LinkedIn link directly here. So if people click on this, then they will directly go to the LinkedIn profile. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.